Hello, and thank you for joining our session on realizing efficiency gains and cost savings with OneLogin. Our agenda today is structured to guide us through the key areas that demonstrate how OneLogin can help you achieve efficiency gains and substantial cost savings. So we'll kick off today by diving into access management efficiency, specifically how OneLogin empowers organizations like yours to streamline user access effectively. To start, OneLogin simplifies access management by centralizing the user authentication and authorization processes, allowing you to access multiple apps seamlessly, all with a single set of credentials. This centralized approach significantly reduces the complexities of managing access across diverse platforms. With this centralized access, we've eliminated the need for multiple credentials, therefore simplifying the user experience. This not only reduces password fatigue, but it also boosts efficiency and productivity at the same time. And more importantly, it curtails support requests related to forgotten passwords, resulting in substantial savings on IT support costs. So in essence, OneLogin's approach to access management efficiency is designed to simplify, streamline, and enhance your organization's access management processes. It's about more than just convenience, it's about optimizing efficiency and productivity while delivering on those important cost savings. Now we'll jump into a very critical aspect of optimizing workplace efficiency, and that's simplifying the user experience. More specifically, I'll talk about how OneLogin's user-friendly interface can be the cornerstone of enhancing productivity within your organization. So to start, during your first glimpse of OneLogin, you'll notice how our platform really sets the stage by prioritizing user experiences. OneLogin truly embraces a user-friendly interface, and navigating it is a very intuitive process, ensuring that users can easily navigate the portal and access their resources with just one click. All of this convenience is really starting to sound important, and that's because they translate directly into real productivity gains. That means that with OneLogin, employees can shift their focus towards their work tasks, spending less time navigating complex login processes. This shift towards efficiency empowers your team to channel their energy where it truly matters, and that's their daily work task. So in summary, OneLogin's user-friendly interface isn't just about ease of use, it's about elevating your organization's productivity. By simplifying the user experience, we create an environment where your team can thrive and contribute more effectively. Now let's focus on operational efficiency and uncover how OneLogin serves as a catalyst for optimizing your operations. As I mentioned earlier, this centralized approach employed by OneLogin greatly simplifies operations around access management. This method effectively eliminates complexity, streamlining the login process and enabling users to access resources quickly and seamlessly. This simplicity not only enhances the user experience, but also greatly boosts productivity. In addition to its efficiency benefits, OneLogin empowers you to bolster security through advanced authentication options such as MFA and Smart Factor authentication. By implementing these measures, you can substantially reduce security risks associated with access, ensuring that operations run smoothly with minimized concerns about data or security breaches. Now let's talk about the importance of enhanced user experience, a key factor in achieving greater productivity and smoother workflows. So our ultimate goal here is to eliminate any barriers that could potentially impede employee efficiency. Through the simplification of access, we have cultivated an environment where your team can wholeheartedly dedicate themselves to their core strengths, thereby contributing significantly to the growth and success of your organization. So to wrap this topic up, it's crucial to recognize that operational efficiency isn't solely about processes, it's equally about people. OneLogin's user-friendly experiences actively contribute to increased productivity and smoother workflows. So by efficiently managing access, your employees can focus on core tasks, propelling your organization towards its operational excellence goals. Now we'll focus in on the cost savings benefits that OneLogin brings to the table. We all know that financial success in IT environments hinge on efficiency, and OneLogin is that ticket in achieving just that. So with efficiency being the key to financial success, with OneLogin, you'll experience efficiency gains that translate directly into cost savings. For example, one of the common pain points in any organization are password-related support requests. These seemingly small issues can quickly add up, draining valuable resources and frustrating your workforce. But fear not, because OneLogin can step in and dramatically reduce these requests. And more importantly here is that all this translates directly into tangible cost savings. So you can imagine the hours and manpower you can reclaim when your IT team is no longer swamped with password reset requests. So it's not just about saving time, it's also about saving money. But we don't stop there. The reduction in support requests is just the beginning. It's a domino effect that sets in motion a chain of benefits. As these requests dwindle, your operational efficiency surges. With your IT department free from the burden of endless password resets, they can direct their expertise towards more strategic initiatives. This reallocation of resources is where the magic happens. By focusing your IT resources on these strategic projects, you're not just saving time and money, you're also paving the way for substantial cost savings down the line. These savings can be reinvested into your organization to fuel growth, innovation, and competitiveness. It's a significant step towards a more efficient and financially advantageous future. In summary, OneLogin's efficiency gains directly translate into cost savings. By reducing password-related support requests, we free up valuable resources, boost operational efficiency, and open the door to more strategic initiatives. So this isn't just about optimizing processes, it's about setting your organization on a path to financial success. OneLogin is here to be your partner in that journey, and together we can unlock a more efficient and prosperous future for your organization. And as we approach the conclusion of our presentation, I want to shed light on a powerful tool at your disposal, and that's our OneLogin ROI calculator. With this calculator, you have the ability to assess and quantify the cost savings that come with adopting OneLogin as your access management solution. But it doesn't stop there. We go further by helping you measure potential savings in terms of time, resources, as well as support costs. And what truly sets this apart is the customization of it all. Our calculator generates a tailored report that estimates potential operational costs specific to your organization. And this data-driven approach empowers you with the information you need to make an informed purchasing decision, one that's grounded in tangible benefits that can make a real financial impact. So in a world where every dollar counts, this tool ensures that you not only optimize your access management, but also maximize your cost efficiency. It's really the key to realizing the full potential of efficiency gains and cost savings with OneLogin. So as we wrap up our session today, I would like to emphasize that OneLogin is not just a tool, it's a strategic asset that can have a profound impact on your organization's bottom line. I'll quickly summarize some key takeaways. OneLogin is here to simplify access management, reduce complexities, boost productivity, and deliver cost savings. These are tangible benefits that can transform the way your organization operates. Now, I encourage you to take the first step in realizing these benefits. Think about how OneLogin can influence your organization. Imagine the possibilities when access management becomes streamlined and your teams can work more effectively. OneLogin is the key to empowerment. It empowers your organization to help achieve both operational and financial goals. By embracing OneLogin, you're not just adopting a solution, you're embracing a strategic asset that can drive your organization towards success. So in conclusion, I urge you to explore the potential of OneLogin and discover how it can transform your organization. The benefits are real, the possibilities are vast, and the empowerment it offers are invaluable. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing the positive impact OneLogin can have on your organization's future. Thank you for joining me today. I truly appreciate the time and attention. Have a wonderful day.